Now in this tutorial we will see how to use Google Classroom on mobile phone. So first of all we will see how to install Google app on the mobile. So this is the step of installation of Google Classroom on the mobile app. So first of all go to Play Store, then type Google Classroom, then it will open the window and you can click on install. So it will take some time for installation. Now it is almost installed. Now you can open this Google Classroom on your mobile phone. So click on open. So it will open the Google Classroom. So now log in with your email ID. So this is the teacher's account. First of all we have to create the teacher's account. So this is teacher's account. Log in with email ID and then password. So it will ask for some permissions. So click on agree. It will take some time, then redirect it to the Google Classroom. So this particular classroom, it is already created and discussed in the previous tutorial, so that already second year class is available. So in this particular tutorial I am going to discuss how to add the new classroom and how to add the students by using mobile phone. So this is already a created classroom, second year classroom. Now I will show you first how to create the new classroom. So click on this plus sign and then accept. So this is the create classroom. Write down the name of the classroom. So I am writing the first year, then put the section, then write down the room and then write down the subject. So I am writing subject as a CP. So this classroom is created with the name as a first year. So you can see classwork, you can see various other things, that is students, but yet there is no student because we have not invited or we have not added the students. So you can invite them, invite the students by two ways. One by email, by sending email, and second by sharing the code of that classroom, so that student can directly join to this classroom with the help of code. So this is the first way, by email, and this is the second way, explaining with the help of, this is the class code, here you can see, and you can send it. Then after invitation, so this is the student's account. So login, student will log in with his login ID and password. So this is nothing but the student's mobile phone on which he will look the classroom like this. So this is the classroom. So already this student was the member of second year. Now he can join with the code whatever sent. So he can have the code through which he can join. So here he can put the code. So enter the code and click on join. So student can join by this code also. Now he will become the member of that particular class. Now he can see the teachers for that class. Now I will take you to the teacher's account, where I will show you how the teacher will how teacher will send the assignment. So this invitation, I am deleting the first invitation because already the same student he added, so that no need of extra thing. you can click on plus, then click on assignments. You can create the assignment. The same procedure whatever you are following on the PC, the same procedure in the mobile app also. So the assignment number 1 I am sending or creating. So you can have the marks, what are the marks for that assignment. You can set the due date, then you can set the time for the due date, then you can set the topics also. Then if you want to assign any file from your mobile, then also you can attach that file to the assignment, then assign that particular assignment to the group of students or single student, and then send. So the assignment is sent to the student. Now how student will receive and submit the assignment, so that I will show you. So student will receive the notification of assignment on his mobile, then he can reach to the classroom first year, then he can respond to the assignment and he can upload the assignment as per his his submission. So that is nothing but all about the Google Classroom.